In this tutorial, you will learn to measure the strength of the quadriceps with a flexion of the knee of 90 degrees. In order to do this, place the K-pole between the hanging strap and the strap around the patient. The knee has to make a flexion of 90 degrees. Ask your patient to extend his quadriceps as much as he can. In the app, make sure to have selected the lower limbs for this activity. You will have a short explanation of the test, see the different positions, the installation for the exercise, the instructions, the configuration, and how to explain the exercise to your patient, and the key results. To start the activity, begin with starting the equipment. It will connect to the tablet. Here, we will work with the left leg, so select the left side in the app. The patient will have to work for 5 seconds on end. Let's get started. Go! Now detach your patient. The K-pole will go in standby mode. You can start it again once the patient is well placed and the equipment well positioned on the other side. Put the strap around the patient at the same place on the right leg. Fix the K-pole on the patient and make sure the knee has a flexion of 90 degrees. Fix the strap. Here the patient is reinstalled, so we can start the second test. Let's get started. Go! Release. Now the tracking record appears immediately and indicates the maximal strength, the symmetry, and all the other data you may find useful. This test can be performed with every angle of the knee, 30, 60, 90. You can even personalize the exercise if you want to create a new one.